Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. As you can see that Euro USD has crossed this resistance level and right now trading above the resistance level, but still I will not recommend a buy level here because there are many factors that I would have to discuss first. Okay, so if we just look at the chart of Euro USD, then still it is very much clear to us that this market is in downtrend. Okay, this market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. And as we all know, market is in downtrend means the number of sellers are higher in comparison to the number of buyers. So in this market, the number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And therefore, following the thumb rule of the market or the basic rule of the market, which means follow the trend. So we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Yes, we should mainly look for selling opportunities here. But if we just look at the chart here, okay, or if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can easily see that there is not much movement in the market going on. The market may be in a downtrend right now. The market might be trading in a downward channel here, but if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then we can clearly see that there is not much volatility in the market. And as we all know, if there is no volatility in the market, then you cannot make money from the market. Okay, if you compare the chart of pound US dollar, GBP USD with Euro USD, then you can see that the structure of both the charts are very much similar to each other. Okay. The only difference is that GBP USD has got a room for movement, whereas Euro USD does not have a room. It is trading in a narrow range here. See, this is the chart of GBP USD. Okay. In fact, I also had got lines over here. Okay. Yesterday, I recommended a buy level here because I knew it very well that GBP USD will be going up, but I could not recommend the same for Euro USD because there is not much movement going on in the chart of Euro USD, and this is the main problem here. So though the structure is same, but there is a huge difference in the volatility of the market. As you can see that I have got three lines drawn here on the chart. This one was the resistance, okay, and right now market is trading above it, so market has broken the resistance. So this line or this trend line has what to say its validity has gone down. Okay, but apart from these two lines, okay, the most important level in the chart of Euro USD is this level, 1.1712. This is the most important level in the chart of Euro USD because this support level belongs to the weekly chart. Let me take you to the weekly chart once. So this is the chart of Euro USD. Okay. And as you can see that in the weekly chart also Euro USD is coming down, but we have a support here. And as we all know, the weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players. Therefore, the support levels and the resistance level on the weekly chart are very crucial or important. And this level has already provided support to the market in the month of March, and therefore we can expect that Euro USD will be getting the same support again. And if we look at the weekly chart here, then we can see that it has formed a green candle. Okay, and the size of the candle is bigger than the previous candle. Okay, I'm not saying this is a bullish engulfing candle, but still it looks like that market is trying to go up. Bulls are coming in, they are joining the market, and somehow, though there is not much volatility in the market, but still market is trying to go up from here, because there is also another theory in the market that volatility shifts, which means that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. And presently there is not much volatility in the market. So market is gathering strength so that it can go up. So I'm very much hopeful. I'm very much hopeful that you will get a good buying opportunity on the chart of Euro USD. If you want to buy right now, then I'll say that you should not buy here because this is not the right position to buy. Because if you buy here right now, then your stop loss will be below this level, and you can see that the gap is too much. You will be risking your hard-earned money. So do not buy right now. Wait for the market to come down to this particular support level, then only you should go for buy order. As long as market is trading here, okay, trading here or in between the range here, please avoid trading on Euro USD. You do not need to trade here. Okay. And you can also keep your eyes in the chart of dollar index here, because we know it very well that US dollar has direct impact on the chart of Euro USD and Pound USD. We saw a movement yesterday on the chart of Euro USD and Pound USD only because of this. You can see that the DXY or the US dollar chart was going up. It is in bullish trend. Okay, but yesterday it broke the support here. It was respecting this trend line as a support. Okay, yesterday when it broke the support here, then the Euro USD and Pound US dollar saw a up move. So in case it goes up from here, just try to understand my words. Okay, you can see that right now it is trying to go up. Okay, in case it goes up from here, then again Euro USD will come down and start trading in the narrow channel again. Okay, and if it falls from here, then there is a possibility that Euro USD will be going up. But right now I'll say, or I'll recommend at least to avoid. Okay, please avoid trading on Euro USD. You do not need to risk your hard-earned money on a chart where there is not much volatility. Please avoid Euro USD right now. Do not need to trade here, and just trade at this particular level only, 1.1712. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 45% retail traders have taken short position, which means they have sold the market, and 54% traders have taken long position, which means they have taken buy position. Even retail traders are also very much confused. You can see that they are also not sure whether the market will be going up or whether the market will be going down. Therefore, please my dear friends, do not risk your hard-earned money on a chart that you do not understand. And as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Therefore, wait for the market to come down to this level only, 1.1712. That is the most safe trading spot in this chart right now. And if you want to check the heat map, Forex heat map and Forex volatility calculator, you'll find everything on my website avilashhazarika.com. This is it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again.